guys, I'm Allison Pynn, Yandy's makeup artist.
And I'm Taylor.
And Yandy's now carrying Moira Beauty, so I wanted to show you our classic Yandy Glam look, but using my favorite Moira products. And now I'm gonna go ahead using this Electric Nights palette, which is so pretty. And I'm gonna start here with a color called Chop Chop. So cute. So we get a pretty little inner highlight around the inner corner. Create some depth. I'm going to go in with Pronto. Just going to do this kind of all over the lid. Now I'm going to go in with Snap. Close. I'm going to lay it right on the lid. This is such a pretty bronzy tone. And I'm going to run this on the under eye as well. I'm going to go in with Purple Ash. I'm going to create kind of a cat eye effect with this color. Our lower lash line. And I'm keeping it nice and soft, but I do love to bring it down, usually further than you think. Not when you're like fully on the under eye area, but definitely come down a skosh. I'm going to take Purple Ash and run it along the outer corner of her eye. I'm going to take my brush with the same brush and just blend out and connect the bottom lash line to the top. And just buff it in so it looks nice and smoky. So I didn't add more color, I'm just using what's here, buffing it out. Now I'm taking the color Dark Skies, placing on the outer corner, that cat eye shape. Blending everything together right now. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. Straight ahead. Create a little cat eye shape. And I'm going to make the eyeliner a bit thicker on the outer corner, and then make it a little thinner as I go in. Line her upper inner rim. And this is going to make her eyes pop and give the illusion of a thicker lash line. Right now I'm going to go in with lashes, and I've done half a strip. So I took just the ends of a full wispy strip and cut them off. I'm going to put those ends right on her ends to create more of a sweepy cat eye effect. It's just right on the outer corner. And I'm putting these on the lashes themselves. Lashes should always go on the lash, not on the skin. I'm going to go with some medium individuals and just start building up a nice thick lash line. in with this really pretty aqua liquid highlighter. It's called Rose Gold. You get such a nice glowy, sexy highlight. Just press it right in. You can definitely use a brush. I like to use fingers, plain fingers of course, just to push the product in. I'm going to throw some mascara on her lashes. I'm going to keep it really concentrated on the outer edge. Like, I'm seriously using so much goop on the end of this. And really focusing it on the outer edges and then bringing it out. You see? And that's going to really concentrate that cat eye swoopy effect. Now I'm going to go in with the brow gel. Bring her brows a bit. Brush them up, starting in the inner corner here. Just start dusting it up. And I like to use little small strokes to mimic eyebrow hair. Start at the bottom and just start sweeping it up. Okay, so then keeping with our purpley vibe here, I'm going to finish off her lip with this really pretty translucent glass called grape soda. Little purple vibe going. Alright, here is our finished look using some of my favorite Moira products. And then lastly, threw a little lotion on her, but I want her to glow. So I'm going to take that same highlighter that I threw on her cheekbones. And I'm going to run it along her chest and her shoulders. Just work that in. You can even mix it into the lotion that you put on. But I'd love to add a highlighter in these little areas. Sexy summer glow.
And I'm wearing a Yandy exclusive from their hot, sexy summer collection. So cute.
Hey YouTube, it's Jamilet Akiola. If we left you satisfied, prove it by checking our channel. And don't forget to subscribe.